Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to create a new folder and create a new file into a newly created folder. So let's start the tutorial. Python, the command is Python make directory and file, which is my execution file name .py. Enter. See, here we got the enter the new folder name. What is my target is I want to create a new folder in this project and new file into a newly created folder. The folder name I am adding Charan. See here the newly created folder Charan has been created successfully. See here the Charan. If I am expanding, we don't have any files here. Now enter the file name. The file name is Python underscore tutorial 1. Enter. See here we got Python tutorial is created successfully. See here the text file.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which I have created on my desktop. Python tutorials. Let's select the folder, and here the folder is added successfully to our VS Explorer. At this moment we have only Python files only. We don't have any folders. Now my aim is I want to create a new folder in this root folder. After that I want to add a new file into a newly created folder. So first we require one new file. The file name I am giving is make directory and file.py, and here we got the make directory and file.py file is added. Now first I want to create a new folder. For that we need to import OS, then import OS, the try catch blocks I am adding, exception, try catch. In the try block I am adding, first we require the folder name, new underscore folder name. It's a variable is equals to input, enter the new folder name, enter the new folder name. Then I am adding os dot make directories new underscore folder. That's it. After that I want to print the message the newly created folder comma new underscore folder has been created successfully, then exception file exists error. If the folder is already available, I want to print the folder is already available. Then I am adding one pass. Now this is the code to create a new folder. Now I want to create a new file. Create a new file in the newly created folder. For that again I am using try catch blocks, try exception block, in this new underscore file is equals to os.path.join method. In the join method the path I am joining with a newly created folder. The newly created folder name is this one, this variable. So let's add that folder name, new folder, comma. Here I am adding input the file name. Enter the new file name. Then I want to add open new underscore file, open new underscore file comma read. Between single quotes I am adding read, which means if the file is already present, I want to display the message the file is available. In the exception, OS error open if the file has not been created. If the file is not available, open new underscore file, f is small, new file. Between single quotes I am adding w is for write. Print the file name, new underscore file is created successfully. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Save. We'll check the output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let me take this further. Now let's check the final output. Here we got the terminal to check the output. Python, the command is Python make directory and file, which is my execution file name .py. Enter. See, here we got the enter the new folder name. What is my target is I want to create a new folder in this project and new file into a newly created folder. The folder name I am adding Charan. See here the newly created folder Charan has been created successfully. See here the Charan. If I am expanding, we don't have any files here. Now enter the file name. The file name is Python underscore tutorial 1. Enter. See here we got Python tutorial is created successfully. See here the text file. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to create a new folder and create a new file in the newly created folder in our project. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.